How to make your languages private on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your languages private on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings, and here all you need to do is just go down until you find this one, profile information, and click edit. And here all you need to do is just not this one, sorry, this is basic info, and then click edit and click here on this icon and click more options and click only me and save it. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.